In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change paragraph spacing on Squarespace. This is an essential skill for anyone designing their website on the platform, as adjusting your paragraph spacing can make a significant difference in readability and aesthetics, enhancing the overall user experience on your site. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to head to your Squarespace homepage. This is your control center where all the customization magic happens. Once you're on the homepage, look around for the Styles option. It's right there on the menu, inviting you to unleash your creativity on your website's visual elements. Now, once you've clicked on Styles, you're going to see an arrow right beside the Fonts option. This might seem subtle, but it's your gateway to fine-tuning your text settings. Clicking this arrow will expand your options, revealing more ways to modify the text style on your site. Next, we'll focus on paragraphs. Go ahead and click on the Paragraphs section. This is where we set the stage for adjusting those all-important paragraph settings. Fonts and spacing are both critical here. I should be here, and you are just a few clicks away from customizing them to your liking. With the paragraph settings now open, it's time to adjust the line height. The line height determines how much space exists between the lines within a paragraph. If you ever felt like your text was a bit cramped, this is the adjustment that can alleviate that. By increasing line height, you create more breathing room between lines, which often leads to improved readability and a more professional look. Play around with it a bit until you find the perfect balance that suits your design goals. Following line height, let's not forget about letter spacing. Letter spacing refers to the amount of space between characters in a word. Adjusting this can dramatically affect the text's appearance and legibility. If your letters appear too close or too far apart, this is the setting you want to tweak. A small increase in letter spacing can make your text appear clearer and more aesthetically pleasing, especially in headlines or highlighted content areas. Now that you've adjusted your line height and letter spacing to your preference, it's important not to overlook the final step. Click on Save. It might seem obvious, but forgetting this critical step can mean losing all your hard work if you navigate away from the page. Clicking Save ensures your changes are locked in and take immediate effect on your website. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully changed the paragraph spacing on your Squarespace site. Congratulations on making your website that much more reader-friendly and visually appealing. Remember, good design is all about the details, and perfecting things like paragraph spacing can make all the difference. Thanks for following along, and happy designing!